Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. So we're going to show you a front camera installed on BMW M2 2018. So first we're going to show you the front camera. So we have the camera sitting in here, just in the front bumper, as you can see it. So we have a nice, very clean look camera. Now we have connected the system to the factory radio. So we're gonna be inside here. I'm gonna turn the ignition to on. The factory screen showing. We do have the control to go to the camera. You can control it from the iDrive, so you can press on the menu button and go to the camera. So we're gonna go here. I'm gonna hold the menu button. I'm gonna have the front camera showing. Now this vehicle also has a reverse camera, so even if you're on front camera, when you put the vehicle in reverse, automatically we have the reverse camera showing. Put back in drive or neutral, and you get the front camera back. To go back to the factory screen, you press on the menu once, and you get the factory screen. For backup cameras and front cameras and other add-on electronics for BMWs and Audis, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.